Come here, little babies. Where's Rocky? Wow, they're starting to look alike. Is this Rocky? Oh, she wants to fly. Whoop, there she goes. And this is Ginger. Say hello to the camera, Ginger. And then, let's see. This is Ginger.
You have 2 gingers?
3 gingers. All the gingers look alike, so they're all called Ginger. Say hi to the camera. This is their first trip outside. And then this is Ginger. They like it when I hold them close to my body, so I'm gonna hold her a little bit closer. There we go. She calms right down.
Well, then I'm very much like the chickens then.
Can you hear? Cheep, cheep. They've like quadrupled in size since we first got them, and they're 5 weeks old.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it off.